Hello guys, welcome to SemTechHub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to withdraw money from your Sweatcoin to your PayPal account. Recently I did a video about how you can get paid from working. Yes, you can actually get paid while you work, just working, from a platform called Sweatcoin that pays their users to work or do some jogging. Okay, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw money from your Sweatcoin to your PayPal. A lot of people don't really know how to withdraw money from their Sweatcoin. Some think you can't make any money from Sweatcoin, but I want to prove you guys wrong by making a live withdrawal from this platform called Sweatcoin. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me go to my Sweatcoin account. Okay, so let me open my Sweatcoin. Okay, so I have opened my Sweatcoin account and I have some quite amount of balance here. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how you can withdraw this amount right now. Okay, so let me go to the place to withdraw. Okay, so first I'll click on this. Okay, or I just tap on this start promoting, but let me click on this. Okay, so when I get to this place, I'll click on the influencer hub. Okay, so at this influencer hub we can withdraw our money to PayPal. Okay, and I'll show you guys how to do this. And if you want to join Sweatcoin, you have to use the link in this video description to register an account to join this Sweatcoin. This Sweatcoin is very legit and they pay users just to work. Okay, so I'll be doing some withdrawal for you guys to see how it works. Okay, so this is my rewards. Okay, for just working I can withdraw this kind of amount. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can withdraw. Yeah, so first let me withdraw this $50. Okay, so I'll click on this reward. I'll click on it. Okay, so when I click on this $50, it will take me to this place. Okay, so they will deduct this kind of invite. Yeah, they will deduct these invites. Let me go back a little. Okay, so I have 36 invites. Okay, I've invited a lot of people and I have 36 invites. So if I want to withdraw, they will deduct some invite from it. Okay, so let me click on this $50. So they will deduct 33 invites. Then they will deduct 165 Sweatcoin. So this 165 Sweatcoin will get me this $50. So 33 invites and 165 Sweatcoin will be subtracted from your balance. You won't be able to use them later. Okay, so if I'm interested, I'll click on the accept and continue. And yes, I'm very interested, so I'll click on this accept and continue. Okay, so let me click on that. Okay, so I'm about to claim this reward. Okay, Sweatcoin influencer program. So let me copy this. Let me tap on this to copy. Okay, so I've copied the coupon code and I'll click on this copy. They say copy code and complete the type form provided below. So I'll click on this. Okay, okay, so hey, as a Sweatcoin influencer, you've done a great job making the planet healthier. It's time to redeem your cash. Okay, so let me click on the start. Okay, so please enter the code we sent you. So let me go and check my email if they have sent me the code. Okay, so let me go to my email. Yes, they have sent me a code. So the code is 3698. Okay, so let me come here and type the code for them. Okay, 3698. Then I click on OK, this OK button. Okay, so what is your email address? Okay, so I'll enter my email address, the email address I use to register my Sweatcoin. Then I'll click on OK. Then I enter my number. Then I'll click on the OK button. So I'll enter my username, my Sweatcoin username. Then I click on the OK. Then I enter my SweatCoin unique influencer link. Okay, so let me go to my then I paste it here. Then I click on the OK. Then I enter my first name. Then enter my last name. So when you get to this place, you select the payment method you like to receive your money. Okay, so I'll select PayPal. Then I enter my PayPal email address. Then I click on submit. Okay, so thank you for filling this form out. Your reward will be sent shortly. Any question related to payments, reach out to, they've given us an email to contact if you have any question. Okay, so this is a simple way to withdraw your money from your SweatCoin account to your PayPal account. Okay, so let's check our email account to see if we have received any payment. Okay, so in our email, you can see that we have received the $50 from SweatCoin. Okay, so we received it today. You can see the date. Okay, you can see the date. Yeah, so yeah, SweatCoin has sent you $50. Okay, so this is the payment from SweatCoin right now. Okay, SweatCoin has sent you $50. And note from SweatCoin, thanks for promoting SweatCoin. Okay, so we have received this money to our PayPal account. Okay, SweatCoin is a very good platform that you can use to make money online just by working, okay, and just inviting friends to join the platform. And as you can see, I've made this amount. Okay, and this is the withdrawal proof. Okay, so let's go to our SweatCoin app. Okay, so we are back to our SweatCoin. Okay, so let's go to the influencer hub. Okay, as you can see, I have withdrawn $50 and it has reflected here as a reward claimed. Okay, $50 reward claimed. Okay, so this is the process of withdrawing money from your SweatCoin to your PayPal account. And if this video helps you to withdraw your money from your SweatCoin to your PayPal account, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.